The third program, or the second thematic that we are embarking in is related to health applications, and also via these health applications, valorizing indigenous plants in particular. In this case, it's a typical case whereby we use what we call a process of biosynthesis, within which we use natural extract of indigenous plants such as the Hoodia gordoni. Hoodia gordoni is well known to the Khoisan community, like the rooibos tea or the Bukhu drink, who was invented or more or less discovered by the Khoisan. And here we target the Hoodia gordoni because the Hoodia gordoni is very well established as a very effective thirst and hunger cutting effective compound. And that explains why the Khoisan are not fat, because within this Hoodia gordoni there is this molecule here, very large molecule, which is very active in attacking fat. In our case, we have used this Hoodia gordoni to biosynthesize oxides, which are nano-oxides, which can be very effective in terms of blocking the UVA and the UVB radiation from the sun. And as you can see here, indeed, the UVA and the UVB are blocked by these nanoparticles of cerium oxide in particular. What does it mean here is that these particles, once they are put in a form of formulation on the skin, they block the UVA and the UVB from the sun, and therefore they protect the skin from cancer. Remember that skin cancer is one of the major cancers. Producing or bioengineering in a green way novel nanomaterials using indigenous materials allow to design this UV protection for skin cancer protection against cancer. Through this, in effect, through this type of studies, we are targeting health sector, certainly, but also we are targeting the cosmetics sector. In addition, we are valorizing more or less an indigenous knowledge, in particular in the case, a knowledge which is very well established within the Khoisan community.